What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today I want to go over OZSC. OZSC had a beautiful squeeze this morning. I want to get into the technicals. Also, I missed out on it. As you guys know, I have multiple stocks in play right now, but I did capitalize on two other ones. But I just want to get into the technicals of OZSC and give you my thoughts on it. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market, and I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So that being said, man, let's just get right into it. Let's see. Yep, OZSC, man. I had talked about it in the video from yesterday. If you haven't watched that video, please go and do so. It is on my Monday watch. I had talked about how it was a buy, because it had broke resistance right here, the resistance level right here, and made new highs on Friday. And then if it had the potential, if it broke this high, we had squeezed past that high up into the high nines. Still a play for me at that point. Really, I was really wanting to get in these 12 levels, and I talk about that in the previous video. I was going to be looking from between the 12 to the 20. But this thing just squeezed so fast on me that, to be honest, it just spooked the hell out of me, because if you look on the daily, look how extended this is. And as you see, as fast as it extended, it dropped even faster. I did want to purchase this dip. Once I seen this actual dip, I did plan on purchasing this dip. But I had realized in my account I was completely out of day trades. I am still under that PDT rule. If you don't know what the PDT rule is, it's a pattern day trading rule. If you're under $25,000 in your account, you can't have more than 3 day trades per week. And I was already up on my day trades. I had 1 day trade left, but that day trade I used in AITX, as you see over here, and it's still an open position, which I'm up really nicely, almost $500 on it right now. I'm going to be sure to do a video on that as well when the market closes. But I want to talk about OZSC. So it's beautiful, man. This was a beautiful opportunity to dip by it here, and then especially when it held above the 12s. You know, I was really sorry I had to miss out on this move because I have capital. I put all my capital in this account. I have three brokerage accounts. One I use specifically for penny stocks, and that is when I'm deciding to randomly, you know, pick and choose different stocks to trade as penny stocks. Another account I have for investing, and then the third account I have, which I also do more of like swing trading. So I try to separate, you know, day trading, swing trading, and investing into different categories in my accounts, because it's easier for me to track the data. But I do also hop into swing trading in the penny stock, because the penny stock is this account I use specifically for penny stocks, OTC markets mostly, and then the other two are more NASDAQ, you know, and swing traded related stocks, compared to OTCs I do day trading and swing trading with. But yeah, man, this had a beautiful move, and it just honestly just spooked me out. And when it squeezed and then when it dropped, I actually was planning on selling my position on AITX for a nice 20% gain and then repurchasing. But then again, like I said, I realized I ran out of day trades. And because of the extreme volatility I seen this morning, for me to play it safe, which I always do, you know, it was just, it was too volatile for me to say, okay, I'm going to go ahead and sell this position that is slowly grinding up and I'm profiting on, to get in a position that is being extremely volatile. You know, so I always go with, you know, my gut, and I go with my comfort zone. And realistically, if I would have switched, you know, I would be up a lot more profit here. But that's the name of the game, man. And, you know, that's the game we play. We win some, we lose some, and we capture some, and we miss some. So, you know, I just so happened to miss this move, man. It got way too overextended for me in the morning. And when you see something like this, this could very well drop just as fast, and it did right at the spike. And that would have been a beautiful move, and I had the opportunity to capture it, but I didn't want to sell my position on AITX just to buy a position that was even more volatile, because when it's more volatility means bigger swings, And like I said, it could drop just as fast as it goes up. And, I am comfortable maintaining my position in AITX, and I'm having a beautiful profit on it this morning. And then in my other account, in my investment account, all my capital is tied up. And then in my other account, I was going to purchase OZSC, but TSMP started moving in the direction I'd like to see again. So I wound up purchasing more TSMP. But I just wanted to go over OZSC. So my goal for this next is to see another potential drop. Because it just got too overextended for me, so I am gonna wait for a dip at some point and try to capitalize on that dip opportunity. But congratulations to those who captured that morning move, or those who are up, because it is still moving in the right direction and it's looking beautiful. I did the research on it, and I said this had the opportunity, and when it broke 12, I could clearly see it going to the 20s easy. So, you guys still have that opportunity to capture up to the 20s, and then from 20, I believe the next resistance level, if it breaks the 20s, is the 35 range. So if it doesn't have a dip and it continues in that direction, I'm definitely a buyer at the next breakout point, because it's clear on the chart, clear as day, that when it breaks out, it keeps running. Broke out here, ran, and then broke out here, and now running on the daily. So broke a daily here, broke a daily down here, broke a daily here, broke a daily here, and broke a daily here. So obviously it's very clear to me that multi-day breakouts for this particular stock work nicely. So if I can't capture a dip, I definitely will be waiting for this to break the 20 area and try to capitalize from the 20 to 35. So that's going to be it on OZSC for today. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my analysis. Let me know if you guys banked on it today. If you did, congratulations. If you missed out on it, it's okay. There's always opportunity available. You just have to be patient and wait for the right opportunity. This was a great opportunity to buy at the open. It just moved a little too fast for me, and my money was tied up in different assets, and that's fine because I'm still capitalizing on those, and I'll be sure to make sure I capitalize when the next appropriate move presents itself for OZSC. So that's going to be it for today, guys. If you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You can't stop Mafia. It's a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So that's going to be it on OZSC. A beautiful move today, and I see this thing continuing to climb, guys. So that's going to be it. Till next time, I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as possible. I'm out. Peace.